Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fun. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to start a secret call or start an end-to-end encrypted call on Facebook Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to start an end-to-end encrypted call on Facebook Messenger, let's open up our Messenger app first. After that, you'll be required to tap on the pen icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the pen icon like this, and after you land on this interface, you can see the toggle icon with the lock on it on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. When it turns on, you'll be able to start a secret message or secret call. Now choose a person with whom you want to initiate a secret call or end-to-end encrypted call. Open it like this. For me, it will be this person. And after that, let's and okay, and after tapping over there, and you can see this chat is a secret chat. Now if I want to make an encrypted call, you can see the call button available on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the call button. You can also see on the profile picture icon of the person's name, there is a lock icon on it, which means either we message him or her or call him or her, the whole chat or the whole message box will be into an encrypted or a secret. And there guys, this is how you start a secret call on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.